Hi everyone, welcome back to this House of Fashion. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut a straight gown with a puff sleeve. It has a smoking rubber around the neck and around the sleeve also. So I'm going to show you the way I'm going to cut it as well as the sewing aspect of it. Let's begin with the cutting. I'm using 4 yards of this stretch fabric to cut out the dress. You can see. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to fold this into 4. It's a cut together with the sleeve, so I'm going to fold it into 4 places. So this is into 4. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, I'm only using this area. You can see it. So this is the area I'm dealing with. So what I need here, I need the shoulder measurement, the armor, I need the bust measurement, I need my full length, and I need the hip measurement. So I'm starting with the full length measurement. The length we are using here is length 60. This is 60 length. So here is our 60 inches. As you can see, with the seam allowance of 1 inch, that will give us 61 inches. So the next thing here is to take the shoulder measurement. When you start your measurement from the center of the neck here, like this, so the length I need is 16 inches. From the center of the back, I need length 16 inches because it's a cut together with the sleeve before attaching another length to it to make it a long sleeve. So this is 16 inches from the center of the back here. I need length 16 inches, and here is my 16 inches. So after that, I need my armhole measurement, which is 7 inches. Armhole 7, like this. After that, I need my, so I'm tracing it here, 7 inches. Can see. So after that, I need my half cut measurement. The half cut I'm using here is 15 inches. After that, I need my hip point measurement. Hip point. To determine the hip point, you can take the measurement from the waist point here. Then you measure 9 for length 60. It's 9 inches to determine the hip point. So this is our hip point, this is the waist, and this is the armhole point. So the next thing to do now is to take the measurement. The measurement of the bust here, I'm using 38 inches, and this is 38 inches. This is 9.5 in 4 places will give us 38 inches. So here is it, with a seam allowance of 1 inch. So the waist here is waist 30, and this is 7.5 inches in 4 places. Will give us, it's going to give us 30 inches with the same allowance of 1 inch. So the hip point here, I'm going to determine the hip measurement. I'm using 42. This is 10.5 in 4 places will give us 42 inches with the same allowance of 1 inch. So the next thing to do now is to connect my sketch from here to here, then to here. As you can see. So then from here I'm going down, straight down. No, it's a straight gown, so I'm going straight down. So for it not to be too tight, when you get here, you can decide to slant it a bit so that while walking, it will be convenient for you. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. To this area, to the armhole, to the waist, from the waist to the hip, from the hip we are going down. Then, like I said earlier, I'm going to slant it. You can decide to slant it from here or from here. It depends on you. When you put the tape there, to determine where the slant is going to start from. You can see I'm starting my slant. I'm starting my slanting from 44 inches, but you can decide to start it from 42. It depends on you. So then I'm starting. Then I'm slanting it. Then I'm cutting it out from there. So as I was saying, from here you can decide to make it straight down. It depends on you. By slant it for convenience. So the next thing to do here is to cut the neck. It's going to have a smoking rubber around the neck here and around the sleeve. So it's going to be a turtleneck with a smoking rubber. The wideness of the neck here, I'm making it 2.5 inches. Then the thickness of the neck, I'm making it 2 inches. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. So after then, the next thing is to determine the shoulder slant. I'm going to reduce it with ½ inch here, ½ inch, and here will be 1 inch. So I'm going to slant it down to 1 inch, from ½ inch to 1 inch. So that is our shoulder slant. So the next thing to do now is to open it. Then I'm going to slit the back area because it's going to have a button. I'm slitting it with 4.5 inches. You see? So I'm slitting it down to 4.5 inches. You can see. Then the next thing to do now is to load the front neck with 1 inch because it's the front. So I'm going to load the deepness is 1 inch. So we are done with the body. So it remains the sleeve. The wideness here, the wideness is 14 inches. As you can see, I'm using 14 inches for the wideness, and the length, when you take, we measure from the center of the back to 16 inches for the from the body. You're going to take that 16 inches up here, as you can see, this 16 inches, then to 32 inches is the sleeve length. It's going to have an elastic here, and it's going to have an elastic at the middle. That is why we are going to make it SS. Initially it's supposed to be 32 for the long sleeve. It's 32 inches for the long sleeve. We have to 5 inches to it to make it SS, because we're going to turn this area up. We're going to turn this area in and put an elastic, and here there's going to be an elastic at the middle here, and there's going to be a smoking rubber around this area. We're going to attach this area to the cut together sleeve that is already at the body. This is the area where an elastic rubber is going to be at the middle, and there will be an elastic rubber here too. At the side, there's a band here, but here I'm not going to put a band. If you like, you can make use of a band, as you can see it on the picture. But here I'm going to use an elastic. Yeah, and there will be a smoking rubber around this area. So I'm going to show it to you when I'm done with the sewing. So this is the area that is going to be around the neck. There will be a smoking rubber around here. So this is the portion I'm going to attach to the neck to make it a turtleneck. There will be a smoking rubber on this before attaching it to the neck. The wideness is 2 inches, I can say. You cannot determine the longness now until you stitch the two shoulders to know the wideness of the neck. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm only showing it to you for you to know. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is the dress, you can see it. And this is the puff sleeve that I was trying to tell you why cutting it. This is the puff sleeve that I was trying to tell you when I was cutting it out. So this is the cut together sleeve to this area from the neck here, from the center of the neck. I took the measurement from the center of the neck here. This is the cut together sleeve, you can see. And this is an attachment to it, you can see. And this is where the elastic is at the center, and this is the band. As you can see, here is the turtleneck. This is the smoking rubber at the neck area. You can see it. You can see it. And there is smoking rubber here also. You can see the way I stitch it on it. The sewing aspect, I'm going to show it to you. It's going to be the next tutorial that will be uploaded after this one. So as you can see, this particular one has band. It has a band, but the one I cut doesn't have band. You can try to put an elastic here also without putting the band, but my client wants this band. That is why I put the band there. So you can see the neck, you can see the sleeve. This measurement is an extra large size. That is why it's not fitting in for this mannequin. You can see the measurement is extra large size. The sewing tutorial on this, I'm going to put the link under the description of this particular video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.